Hi everyone, welcome to my another episode of Long Story Short version. You probably would have heard by now, SPH shares rise following 3.4 billion privatization offer from Keppel. Yes, Keppel has decided to buy over all the non-media related business from SPH. So, what are the things to look out for? Uh, if you are a current shareholder, what can you do? If you are not, is there any opportunities here? Let's find out. Okay, so let's understand the deal a bit first. So basically, okay, if you are a current SPH shareholder, okay, and as per what this example says, assuming that you have a 1,000 SPH share, this is what you're actually going to get from Keppel, $668 in terms of cash. Keppel REIT, 596 units, SPH REITs at 782 units, and a total of $2,000, $2,099. Okay, so of course, as you can see here, you may even get some dividends, but this is subjected to the board's approval. So basically, if let's say you own 1,000 shares of SPH, you potentially can get 2,099 plus some dividends. Interestingly, this is actually post-announcement price. So this is on the 3rd of August. I can see the announcement was actually on 2nd August. Now the price is actually only on $1.94. Hey, so why is there a gap? Is there something interesting here? Let's dive in a little bit more. So if you can see now, Keppel REIT is trading at $1.14. SPH REIT is trading at 0.85. So all this are on 3rd August. So 1 day post of the announcement. And the other thing you may actually want to look out for here is this, the price to book value of the various REITs. So the price to book value of Keppel REITs is 0.862. Price to book value of SPH REIT is 0.896. So both trading below book value. So to a certain extent, they are either, you can actually say that they are slightly undervalued or at least fairly valued. Okay, so if I actually use the post price instead of the price that is actually used in the presentation, okay, so Keppel REIT at $1.14, SPH REIT at 0.885. If you add together, okay, per share of SPH you have, you are potentially going to get $2.39. And the SPH price is actually $1.94. So this is actually quite interesting to me, especially if you think that Keppel REIT and SPH REIT is still currently undervalued. So of course, all this is subjected to board's approval. Okay, there can be a scenario whereby, of course, the deal won't go through. And of course, the other thing that's interesting to me is, hey, you know, if you actually buy SPH share right now, you potentially, again, this is subjected to board's approval, to get another dividend. So that is something quite interesting to look out for. Okay, on the Keppel side, as you can actually see, again, this is company presentation from SPH. It seems that Keppel is buying at the premium. Okay, he's buying at premium. So as you can see from the table here, so the implied price, price to book based on last price is actually about 0.7 times 70%. And this is the price that Keppel is offering. Okay, and from the market perspective, again, this is on 3rd of August, post announcement. It seems that the market is not very happy. There's actually a slight drop in the prices for Keppel Corp. Okay, but having said that, you know, Keppel Corp being a okay, I wouldn't say proper, but being a more established real estate company, okay, with the assets that are being brought in from SPH, okay, they may be able to unlock certain value that we wouldn't know by now. So I'm quite sure Keppel has a reason for buying those assets at a certain premium, or at least, you know, based on the presentation. Okay, and they of course can potentially unlock more value, but of course only time will tell. We have to see from a longer term perspective then. Okay, the last thing I actually want to talk about is the timeline. Okay, so basically if everything goes on smoothly, as you can see, okay, the actual transaction will only happen at the end of the year. So take note, no need to rush. There's a lot of time for you to think through, for you to do further analysis before you actually make any decision. Okay, so with that, that is my long story short version for this Keppel and SPH story. So of course, if you think that this video has made some sense to you, do click on the subscribe button so that you can motivate us to do more of such video further. Okay, with that, do take care.